Alright you guys, Johnny here with GForce Monkeys. We're going to show you how to get an old decal off and put a new decal on. It is Sunday, April 21st. It is Easter, and today we're doing this. So, before all the Easter stuff of course, the first thing you want to do is get the old one off. So, find a dull razor blade and just start to remove your decal, the old one. I'll show you guys a little trick though. I heard that if you do this really fast like that, the whole decal will come off. Oh, there it goes. It worked. Did you see that? It worked. So now, man, I can't believe that trick worked. Okay, so now we gotta get some goo on to get the rest of this sticky stuff off of here. If you guys can see that there's some sticky crap on here, we'll get that goo on. Alright boys and girls, this is what you need next. Some goo gone and a roll of paper towel. I like these blue ones a lot. So you just put a little bit on there. There we go. Alright, let that sit for a second. Just so you guys know, these t-shirts are at gforcemonkeys.com. If you want to pick one up, they're pretty awesome. Got a monkey on the front. Everything we live for on the back. Alright, so now after you let the goo gun sit, you can see the rest of this stuff comes off pretty good. Pretty easy. Alright, there we go. Nice. Yeah. Easy. A nasty gooey crap. Finish off by a nice little wipe. Okay, now, no more sticky crap. Wipe the whole window down. Okay, next, we're gonna clean the window. Alright, this is the stuff I like to use. Spray away. It works really good. It's aerosol. Instead of that other crap. I like to do a liberal amount, and mostly a liberal amount actually, because we had some of that goo gone, so I like to just kind of wash the window, scrub it a bit, scrub it up. Alright, take this and scrub it down and make sure she's very clean. Good. Okay. Our window is ready to place a decal on. Okay. Next thing you need is your decal. You guys can see that. Okay. First thing you do, take your decal, fold it in half. You don't really need to fold it too much in half, just enough to put a crease at the top. We've got a nice little crease here. You see the crease right here? We're going to do two things. We're going to use our painter's tape here. We're going to know the middle. Okay. That a little off. This one you can measure if you want. That looks pretty center. Now, I laid that already on the roof, so make sure the back of this is clean. You don't want any of this dirt to transfer onto glass that we just got nice and clean. Now, take another piece of tape. We're going to stick that puppy right here, where we've measured the middle. Okay? Now, sure it's level. You got the center lined up. And then always back up. Take a look at it from afar. You can get a better idea how straight it is. If you can back up a bit. Yeah. I think it might need to come up on the right a little bit. Tough time though. Yeah, gotta come up on the right just a little bit. Okay. Now the next part's the interesting part. Next part's the best part. Alrighty. So, this is a bottle. It's a magic bottle. Magic. Okay? So, it's like $1,000 a bottle. But we bought it anyways to make our lives easier. Okay, so let me make sure the camera's working okay. The camera's kind of losing its mind over here. Okay. So, once you get everything all lined up, like this, it's pretty much done after that if you have this stuff here, okay? Actually, I had to mix it up into here. This really crazy formulation. So watch this. See how it's going on? Okay. Then you just lay it flat and you push. There it goes. Told you. Whew, that was a lot of work. Just kidding, that wasn't much work at all. Because this expensive bottle of decal application solvent, as you can see what it has done, it has taken a bunch of the steps out of the process. Normally you gotta lay it down and you gotta peel the other side and all this work for nothing. All you have to do now is just take the decal, line it up, get it just about perfect, spray the stuff on, push really hard, and boom, there you go. Pretty easy. After this, take a razor blade like this guy and you just kind of poke a tiny little hole in there and you can get the bubbles. The little ones don't worry about because they'll kind of work their way out, but the big ones you do want to get rid of. There. Okay, you guys. So, tools needed for this job: razor blade, paper towel, spray weight glass cleaner. You can use whatever cleaner you want. A little bit of Goo Gone, painter's tape, and one of these fancy little doodads that I just found today, thank goodness. They do make some of these, which I'm going to get some better ones that have some felt on them. The felt side you use after you've put the decal down. Alright, well if you don't have the sprayer, of course, this $1,000 bottle here. If you don't have that, then you got to push the decal down, you get the one with the felt side so it doesn't scratch. Alright you guys, so that is GForce Monkeys. About 5 minute way of applying a decal. As you can see, it's much faster as well. Okay, really fast. So just wanted to say hi to you all, show you how to put a decal on, and then if you guys haven't gone to gforcemonkeys.com, check us out. We are pretty rad. We got our decals up there. Hope you guys have a wonderful Easter. GForce Monkeys Johnny out of here. Peace out you guys. I gotta go find some eggs. See you later.